Hi, this is Max, the founder of Ecomtent, and I'm going to give you a very quick tour of how you can use Ecomtent. So the first thing you're going to need to do is to connect your Amazon account here. We have other integrations coming soon, depending on when you're watching this, but at the moment you would connect your Amazon account. Then what you're going to see is this product page. All of your products should come here. You can search by ASIN by putting in the number here, but I'm going to click on one. So this takes you through to the main page of how you can work with ASIN. So we have a couple of options for you here. You can generate at scale a lifestyle image, a benefits infographic, and a dimensions infographic. If you just click generate image set, but I'm going to show you how you kind of build these up first. So when you come into Open Editor and click generate, you're going to generate an infographic like so. This is going to come in one of our standard templates. You'll see here we have a number of standard templates which you can choose from. My recommendation is actually that you come into the template editor. You can edit all of this stuff. The fonts, you can upload different fonts or change them. You can change, the background colors. Let's just delete this in this one. We can change the background. You can see my recommendation is that you kind of personalize one of our templates, make it specific to your brand. You can upload different elements or icons or whatever you want. And then once you have done that, you can save it as a new template and set it as a default for infographic generation. Therefore, each time you generate, it's going to generate in your newly designed infographic template rather than randomly selecting one of our base ones. So that would just be clicking that. If you don't like it, this one is super ugly, then you can delete it. The one thing to note when you're doing this is to make sure you keep the layers the same. So the support text that is going to pull them through the API remains called support here. The image that we pull through again from Amazon remains main image, and the title remains main. So that's the infographic generation. We also have the lifestyle image generation, which we start with an auto prompt by just clicking here. So here you see an AI generated image of this fire pit. Should you, our AI is always going to try and use an auto prompt, but should you want to use your own prompt, you can just click reset, and you can write, I don't know, fire pit on a beach at sunset. So here we go, beautiful beach sunset image, and you can play around with this. Should you want to generate with a product that isn't your main image, you can choose to upload a secondary product. Let's say this dog bowl. I can choose to remove the background as I upload it or not. This is means that you now use this for the default generation. So let's imagine instead of this fire pit, I had some callouts or packaging or whatever, and I wanted to use a different core image for my infographic generation and my lifestyle image generation. You can upload and switch. It's only going to set as a default generation in Ecomtent. It's not going to change your Amazon store. So yeah, if you're happy, you can download, you can save the listing. The last infographic generation we have is the dimensions. So here you can see it generates, it pulls in again from the API the dimensions. Again, with the template editor, you can choose different dimensions. You can set them as your default ones. So once you're happy with the content you've generated, you can manage it all here. You can delete, you can reorder, you can go and you can re-edit, through that little tab there. So that's images. Now talking about optimized keywords, we try to make it super easy and quick in Ecomtent. All you need to do is to click improve text. We will then look at the brand analytics API, put in the highest ranked keywords by volume. Should you want to include any of your own keywords for generation, you can add them in as well here. So here we have the optimized listing, the bullet points, the descriptions, keyword rich. What is important to note is that we can do this in any language. So you can choose your language here as you're generating. This is actually also true, by the way, with the infographics. You can generate infographics in any language as well. That's pretty much Ecomtent. Any questions? This chat box goes directly to my and my co-founder Slack, so you can message us at any time. We're here to help. We'd love to jump on a call. We love to hear product feature ideas and anything else. So thank you, and I hope you found this helpful. And when you're done, by the way, you just publish. You can save the changes or publish it directly to Amazon. Thank you.